In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Nintendo Switch 2 to hotel Wi-Fi. So first you go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet and then select Internet Settings. Then select the Wi-Fi network from your hotel. So I am here in the number 11 Urban Hotel. Press A. So for this hotel I don't need any password or anything, but it could be that you select the internet here and then you get a cross that's not connecting. Then what you just need to do is wait, and then you automatically are gonna send to some page then where you need to log in with, for example, your room number, because every hotel has their own thing, so I don't know how it is. But guys, this is how to connect Nintendo Switch 2 to the hotel Wi-Fi.